A key principle of studying wildlife and nature is conducting great observations. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use one of your senses, sight, to really observe what you see in nature. First, I want you to use some acting skills. I want you to look at something like you've never seen it before. I'm going to provide for you two tools. The first is a nature journal. So grab a journal, or it can even be just blank sheets of paper, and start drawing what you see. The reason why nature journaling is so great for making observations is because you are going to discover a new level of detail that you don't see with just looking at something. Because you're trying to replicate something, you are going to look at something with far greater detail than if you were just looking at it, just to look at it. So drawing really brings out our observation skills. In addition to drawing in your nature journal, you also might want to make some notes, write some descriptions of what it looks like, or you can even take some measurements. Although it's great to be off of technology in nature, I do love technology because it enhances the way we look at nature. So my next tool is a camera. And for most of you, this is your phone. The great thing about using a camera is it allows you to zoom in, or you can use a magnifying glass as well, on details. And for some observations in nature, say we're looking at a fast-moving insect, cameras are great because you can capture an image and see it forever and really zoom in on what is going on. I encourage you to bring your camera to the field to help you conduct amazing observations. So the next time you are in nature, you are going to see things with new eyes, use nature journaling to enhance your observations, and use a camera to zoom in and out and notice even more details. In the next video, we are going to talk about sound as a means to study and observe wildlife and nature. This video is part of my Wildlife Biology for Kids program. When you enroll officially as a member, you'll get access to downloadable activities, printables, and get connected with a community of like-minded individuals. I'll teach you how to get outside and with purpose and intention, allowing kids to explore through their natural curiosity. I'll teach you about community science and how to give back so that your kid can actually conduct real scientific research and contribute to real projects. Every week, you'll receive exclusive access to accompanying materials based off of these videos. You'll find the link in the description below, and I can't wait for you to enroll. Let's explore nature together.